Pioneer Canada Grand Prix. Pole position, Michael Schumacher is pole one time of 1:19.298. Second overall, Mika Hakkinen at 1:19.327.
Michael Schumacher se remis sur la grille de départ, une quatrième position de tête ici au Grand Prix du Canada, accompagné de Mika Hakkinen sur McLaren Mercedes sur cette première ligne.
Going for the rest of the field, Eddie Irvine, David Coulthard on the second row. The third row of the grid, Rubens Barrichello and Heinz Harold Frentzen. Fourth row, Giancarlo Fisichella and Sean Alesi. Fifth row, Sean Trulli and Johnny Herbert. Sixth row, Alexander Versen and Alessandro Zanardi. And then on the seventh row of the grid, Ralph Schumacher and David Hill. Eighth row of the grid, Olivier Panis and Jacques Villeneuve. Ninth row of the grid, Ricardo Zonta and Pedro Denise. 10th row of the grid, Torres Nakagi and Pedro de la Rosa to round out the field, Luca Lindor and Marc Genet.
Le reste de la grille de départ, Eddie Irvine sur Ferrari et David Coulthard qui partagent la deuxième ligne, suivi de Rubens Barrichello et Heinz Harald Frentzen sur la troisième ligne de départ. En position 7, Giancarlo Fisichella qui est accompagné de Jean Alesi sur la cinquième ligne, Jarno Trulli et Johnny Herbert. Sur la sixième ligne, Alexander Wurz et Alessandro Zanardi. Sur la septième ligne, Ralf Schumacher et Damon Hill. Olivier Panis et Jacques Villeneuve sont sur
And Dave Ryan is going to be the man who represents the West McLaren Mercedes team up on the roster. The team manager of the team. And a very happy Hakkinen, both of us absolutely delighted points. And a quick hello to the crew.
It was excellent race, definitely, and I was very pleased about the way the race was going in early stages. Anyway, when Michael was leading, because I was comfortable with the car, and I was just able to go quicker if I wanted to, but there was no reason for it because the level of risk what could have happened, and then I saw Michael going off, and I don't know exactly what happened, but turned up to be very, very good for me. That's racing, and here I am, won the race, great feeling.
I am so pleased about the result today, and my target was to score some points, and I am on the podium. I am the second position. That is great.
We were side by side through the first corner, but he went very, very wide, and then I just took the next one, and he just clipped my rear wheel and spun me, and then it got fun, you know. It was after Barcelona.